In this amazing video, you'll learn how to add a YouTube video as a full screen background in WordPress. If you have a product or service that can be effectively demonstrated through video, using a full screen background can be a compelling way to showcase its features and benefits. In order to do so, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Here we're going to search for mb.ytplayer. And this is the plugin that we're looking for. Click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. You can see the plugin has been installed and activated successfully. So let's configure its settings. And from here you can set the background video for your home page. Make sure to check the box beside Activate the background video. Here, simply add the video URL and select the page where you want to showcase the video. You can also check the box beside Start the video from where you left last time, and this will remember the last video time position. Once everything's in place, click on Save Changes. Let's visit the home page and check the plugin in action. You can see that this is how easy it is to add a YouTube video as a full screen background in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress posts. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.